So this pose is called hangman variation. If you haven't seen hangman normal, go and check that one out. Okay, but for variation, we're going to come down onto our knees. We're going to come all the way into our cobra. So from your cobra position, you're going to reach back. You're going to grab hold of your handles, okay? And you're going to take the hands together and drop the head and heart through. Now, if this is strong enough for you, please hang out here. You don't need to go any further. If you need to get a little deeper because your shoulders are already open, then all you do is you lift yourself up, you shuffle your hips forward, shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Now you can also do this without holding onto your handles, yeah? And the way you do this is just let your handles go, okay? And just be easy. You're gonna just get up and lay yourself down. Right, so now I'm a lot more forward than I was. So I'm gonna have to reach back, pull this handle, reach back, pull the handle. Bring my elbows together and now drop through. So I'm a lot deeper than I was, but I'm still not deep enough. So if you're like me and you have really open shoulders, but you still need a stretch, you're going to grab your handles a little higher. Actually, the way to do it would be to grab both of those in your hand. Grab, grab, grab. Now from this position, draw your elbows together. You can try to get those handles out the way to the outside. Yeah? Draw your elbows together. And now you're in a really deep stretch. So now you just want to hang out. And that feels amazing. So to come out, you just open your elbows and you just pull yourself up. Now, you see I've pulled myself up, but obviously you can let one hand go and the other and just come up. So that's a really great way to get lovely open stretch through the shoulders, as well as you've got to remember that anything that opens the shoulders is going to give us beautiful posture. So play with those poses. Good work.